Hello there, good morning. Cloudy, grey and drab pretty much sums up the weather to end the week across much of the country. That's despite a ridge of high pressure largely dominating across central and southern areas, but there's lots of moisture trapped underneath this high, which means fairly grey skies at times. Also some rain and drizzle across the northwest as we see frontal systems move in here, and a good squeeze in the isobars, so some fairly windy conditions across the far northwest also at times. To start the day this morning then, as you can see, there's plenty of cloud around, likely seeing some quite murky conditions to start, even some fog in places, particularly eastern parts of Wales, northwest England could see some fog rather slow to clear. And also some drizzly outbreaks just to the west of Northern Ireland, northwest of Scotland too, so it could be quite damp here at times and fairly windy as well. A chance we could see some gales across the far north of Scotland. On the whole, it is quite a cloudy picture, but the best of any brightness just to the northeast of any hills or high ground. Now across the far northwest, it's another mild day on offer, highs of around 11, possibly even 12 Celsius. But across central and southern areas, particularly across the southeast, temperatures are going to struggle. Highs of only around 5 to 6 Celsius here, so a bit of a cooler day on offer. Heading into the evening, we don't really see much change. Once again, there's going to be plenty of cloud around, but also some pockets of clear spells. Largely dry. Once again, a chance we could see some drizzly outbreaks across hills, also across the very far northwest of Scotland towards the morning. But taking a look at temperatures, we can still see it's fairly mild still across the northwest of the country. Lows of around 7 to 6 Celsius across Scotland and also Northern Ireland. But elsewhere, in some spots, we could see temperatures just below zero. So a chilly start to the weekend for some. As we head into Saturday, once again, plenty of grey skies to start the day, though we should see some brighter spells, particularly by the afternoon across Wales, northern parts of England, perhaps parts of the southwest could see some sunshine later on. But once again, temperatures are really struggling across central and southeastern parts. Highs of only around 3 to 4 Celsius, particularly struggling where that cloud lingers across the far southeast. So another chilly start here, but once again across the northwest, highs of around 8 to 9 Celsius, so milder here, but still could see some fairly strong winds across the far northwest of Scotland. We do have this frontal system out to the west, but it's fairly slow moving, but a chance later on Saturday we could start to see some rain and drizzle creep in here. But for more updates on the weekend weather, you can catch Aidan here on YouTube, where he'll discuss what's going on with the weather this weekend. That's it from me. Bye bye.